You got it. Really?
Hey, wait. Evan, look. Evan.
You'll find him. Go ahead, get it and put it in your basket.
Get it. Oh. Whoa.
You don't have to open them. All right, put it back in. Keep going.
Look at this one, Mommy.
Yeah.
Oh, just want to find this one. How'd that happen? It pulled out of my hand, Mommy. Oh, this one. Oh. Which one? Hey, why is this out there?
Easter Bunny hid him for you.
Huh?
The Easter Bunny hid him for you. Keep looking. Look everywhere.
Oh, got one up. Oh, that's right here.
Mm-hmm.
How'd that
That
happen?
silly Easter Bunny.
Huh?
That silly Easter Bunny. Mm-hmm. You'll get that after you find all the eggs.
Should I be in here?
I don't think he went in there.
Whoa! I got all the
No,
eggs.
there's some more.
Where?
Come look over here. Look all around the living room. That's not the living room. Keep looking. Why don't you look over by the lamps?
Oh,
Oh, what's that? And what about this? City, the party. Oh, there's an orange one. That's it, Mom.
I don't think that's it. I think there's more.
One more over here. By the window. On the door.
Oh, here's one. How about over there the ball? City, oh, City, so funny.
You can open them later.
Come on. And then.
You got it. It's okay. Just put it in the basket. We'll fix it later. It's okay.
We'll fix it later. Come on. I'll put by the stairs.
Huh? Hey, what has it? What? Is there oh, and here. Is that it?
Is that it? I don't know. Let's walk around and find out. How many do you have in there? You have 25 eggs?
No, I got 10.
You got more than 10.
25, yeah.
Okay, let's get your Easter basket. Where did the Easter Bunny leave your Easter basket? Ask Daddy to get it.
What's here?
Where? Where?
Here.
What is that? What is it? Oh, I see one down there.
Oh, man!
What's that?
Ooh.
What is that?
What's this? Yeah, chocolate. Easter bunny.
Here.
Come on. See what's in there.
Hey, what is this? Oh! Hey, whoa!
Show the camera. What is it? What is it, Evan? Show me.
Chocolate Easter bunny.
A chocolate Easter Bunny. Yummy.
And what's these things?
Those are peeps. And more eggs. What game did you get? You can leave them in the basket.
Come on.
He's taking them out and putting them in his basket. What game did you get?
Look.
Okay, what game did you get? Show me your game. Is that for your Leapster? Who is that?
Yeah.
Who is it?
Diego.
Diego. Ooh.
Daddy. I also want penguin. I got this.
All right, say happy Easter, everybody.
I got penguin.
Bye-bye.
Bye.